Hi, this is Fizzy Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide voice widgets on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord is one of the most popular communication platform amongst gamers, offering seamless chat, voice, and video feature that enhance your gaming experience. One of its standout features is the Discord overlay, which allows you to access chat, voice channel, and notification while you're in game. However, this feature can be handy. It can also be distracting or cause performance issue during gameplay. So, what if you want to hide overlay, voice overlay or voice widgets on your Discord? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. From here, you can go to user settings, so you can select on the gear icon in here. Now, from here, you can just scroll down until you find on the activity section, there is an option game overlay. You can just select on that. So in here, you can hide your game overlay, or you can just tap on the toggle in here to hide your the game overlay, or you can just enable or disable the overlay, enable legacy overlay. You can also, if you want to hide the voice widget, you can just select in here. You can hide it. If you want to hide it, you can just choose on display users on only while speaking. So the voice overlay will appear while your partner or friends are speaking. You can also change the display name, never, or only while speaking, or always. You can just choose on never. You can also change the avatar size to small. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide voice widgets or overlay on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.